What's that? Huh? What's that? I noticed that. I noticed that. I hope it. I hope it won't be anything. Well, it's just probably my bird or something. Now see what the spotting works. Hmm? Oh well. That's it. I'm gonna catch him. There you are! What? What is it? Did you just make noises? No, no. That's it. I'm gonna let my bird catch you. No. Don't let my bird catch me. Is that my bird? Isn't gonna catch you. No. Stop. Ah. Huh? This is what you deserve, sir. Oh, no, not the bird. Oh, my Princeton. Upstairs to your bedroom. No, don't let the bird hit me. That is. The bear's gonna catch me. Too bad, the bird is gonna catch you. Oh no, run for your life, Brianna. Oh, it needs batteries. Well, oh well, I'm just gonna restart. No, don't restart it. Too bad, I'm restoring it. Don't let it catch me, don't let it catch me. Now I'm gonna let it. Yeah. Come on, why isn't it going off? Why does it keep falling? Well, I'm just gonna let it have a ride home. No! Ow! Get out! What am I supposed to do with this thing? I got an idea, I'll just swing it back! What a nice girl he is! Hey, Brianna, I have a surprise for you! Oh, what is it? Now let's do it! Huh? Oh, okay. Huh? Huh? Oh, no. Ah! Okay, don't let it catch me, don't let it catch me. Don't let it. No. No. Ow, that's it. I'm telling Brown on you. No. Okay, I'm gonna go to the toilet. What are you doing? I'm gonna go to the toilet. Do not mess with anything, okay? Okay. Here, it's the bathroom. Time to night, Broanna. Because he's a stupid A like me. This is our pleasure, so don't be a hypocrite. What was that? I'm trying to go to the toilet. Who's doing that? If that's Brianna, he's in big trouble. Right, that's it. Brianna! What were you doing making loud noises while Brianna's trying to go to the toilet? That was she, Broanna. I thought it was you. I don't make the right decisions. You do not annoy Broanna while he's trying to go to the toilet. You are grounded for 2 years. Get to your room. Get to your room. What a naughty brat he is. Well, let's just use the toilet again. Hey, you just got grounded. Really? Yeah, you got grounded.